now is the time. One idea can save you thousands, and one idea can make for you tens and hundreds of thousands. It all depends what you are gonna do with the idea, what I'm introducing here right now to you. I'm delivering the content and my idea, what has been generating not only for me thousands and thousands of dollars already, but also for my private clients. This is, guys, what I'm doing. If you can see on a screen, this is the RV Caesar jack drill adapter. All right, and let's play some fun.
Save time, save energy, and save yourself the hassle of lowering and raising your RV scissor jacks by hand with your hand crank. Make your life easier. Get yourself an RV scissor jack drill adapter from Camp.
Well, actually, the video goes on and on and on. Okay, so but this is my sales page, guys. You have been seeing this all the time already. Some of you maybe paid attention, some of you not. But if you just click below here to this button here, the ClickFunnels, that's what I'm using to drive the traffic to my eBay site. And this is my sales page here. I created sales page on a ClickFunnels. All right. If you click to the button there, you have 14 days free, no charge. You just test it out and you see how it goes. That's exactly what I did. When I came up with this idea, I thought, ClickFunnels is the best tool out there to drive a traffic. Why I shouldn't try to do this to drive to my particular items what I want to sell? Okay, this is where all the magic begins. So I created just one page. I put something here like a price. I will not gonna go very deep in the details how to do this, guys. You can get all the coaching from ClickFunnels, not from me. I will not gonna do anything on this, okay? Because I consider myself a newbie here on creating a ClickFunnels page because I'm not designer. And some of you probably who are designers, you were gonna see a little say, "Oh, Andrew, this is crappy." Yes, I believe that. I know, but this is what I did, okay? I created very simple page by very few clicks, put some photos here, okay? This is just put some info in here. Just we provide free the 2-day shipping, $7.99 plus 2-day shipping, stuff like this. Very simple, very easy, okay? And in a few places, just wherever you click here, what happens? When the buyer clicks here, or the buyer clicks here, or the buyer clicks here, okay? This I posted on a Facebook. This is about the next video, but I want to introduce you to the sales page, how the sales page works. You can create this sales page very easy with no tech skills. All what you have to do just to replace your words. They have everything. I don't know, maybe some of you are using ClickFunnels already. I don't know, but this is what I did. So when the buyer sees this page, they are kind of like, wow, oh, crazy, okay. And I'm targeting specific audience on Facebook who would need this. Not the mama, not the pizza place, not the retail stores, no, but the targeted audience. And when they see this page, that's what they do. They say, okay, maybe, oh, maybe not. What's here? What's okay, take a look. Maybe they click here, whatever it is. Wherever they click, they come to my page. Obviously, I will gonna click now. You will not gonna see my page. Again, I don't want to see my page, but that's what happens. I'm clicking here. Booms. Yes, success. All right, and they are coming to my page, to my listing where is listed my item. In this case, it's not my item here. This guy is nothing to do with my business. I just making you, I can connect in very easy. I can change this in a few seconds to connect whatever page you want. Okay, so this I will gonna go through this in the next video maybe, but this is what happens. Okay, this is what happens when you click the button. your straight delivery to my page. That's why I need some specific keywords here to put, because they are coming to my page, not to the lists, but to my page. That's why they have to be here. This is not me, obviously, but that's why I need positive 100 feedback here. That's why I need some feedback at least here. All right. And this is how you escape all competition. Okay. Because those guys, if they are under there still, if you are not switching off your cross promotions, okay, they could be some issue for you, but in most cases, I don't have this issue. The buyer, they straight away coming to my page and they can check it out very easy. This is the magic of making money, guys. That's it. All right. I hope you got this aha moment. I hope majority of you got this aha moment. And I know that there will always be people who are skeptical. That's fine. That's okay for me. As I said, my duty and my responsibility is to deliver to you the content, the idea, to introduce you to the idea. And I'm just introducing you to an idea with great possibility to change all your life in the future. All right, let's dig in next video.